Organizations often face challenges when their actual spendings deviate from their planned budgets. The identification of discrepancies between anticipated and realized expenses, the optimization of budget distribution, and the regulation of budget pacing are critical to a company's financial tactics. We've developed a comprehensive budget plan that allows managers to quickly adapt to changes from within the company and the economy, to reconcile risk with innovation, and to back up worthwhile investments by projection of future returns. By the way, we're UXEC. We create business presentation templates and spreadsheet models to save you hours of work. Follow us to receive weekly business templates and spreadsheets that will propel your career forward. An effective corporate budget plan not only involves insights on current financial performance, but also future projections. When budget variances are closely scrutinized, the 70-20-10 rule for risk allocation is applied, expenses are paced appropriately, returns on investments are monitored, and budgets are adjusted in response to economic shifts, managers will be well equipped to direct their teams towards sustainable growth. Now, let's dive deeper into how these critical components of a budget plan work and how they can be applied. And remember, you can download our budget plan template to follow along. Budget variance. A firm grasp on budget variance is vital for effective financial management within any corporate setting. It represents the discrepancies between the planned spending and the actual amount spent. Routine analyses of these variances is not just a fiscal exercise, but a critical review of the company's financial fidelity. Chronological assessments, whether on a monthly, quarterly, or even an annual basis, offer managers a sharp lens to view departmental spending against the backdrop of the overall budget. For example, a marketing department might plan to spend $200,000 on a campaign, but ends up using $250,000 due to unforeseen advertising costs. When such a variance is detected, it prompts immediate reevaluation of marketing strategies to avoid repeating similar oversteps. Perhaps certain social media platforms have raised their advertising cost, or perhaps the same advertising budget no longer generates the same number of impressions or clicks. Those are questions that the marketing team might need to investigate when campaigns cost more than usual. Visual representations of these variances, such as bar graphs that showcase planned versus actual spending across projects, can simplify complex budget data and make it easier to digest and act upon. With these visualizations, responsible teams are better prepared to identify trends of overspending and underspending. Consider a case where a tech company projected a modest IT upgrade cost, only to find that the actual costs were significantly higher because of the vendor's price surge. This variance could trigger a renegotiation of contracts or even a shift to a new vendor. The consequence of overlooking proper variance analysis can be dire and eventually shake stakeholder confidence due to unreliable financial projections, especially if it becomes a recurring issue. Businesses could face backlash as continuous undetected variances eventually force them to downgrade their profit forecasts. This could then directly impact stock prices and market reputation. Accurate variance analysis safeguards against this kind of financial missteps and ensures that the business remains a reliable entity in the eyes of its investors and partners. And on a high level, it serves as an indispensable tool in a company's strategy arsenal and allows for light changes in resource allocation in response to shifts in market dynamics, consumer behavior, or competitive pressures. The 70-20-10 rule. Building upon the foundation of precise budget variance tracking, the next step of a budget plan involves distribution of resources across a wide spectrum of operational and strategic initiatives. The 70-20-10 budget allocation framework steps in as a guiding principle for this distribution and promotes a calculated yet dynamic spread of financial assets. It suggests a commitment of 70% of a company's budget to steady, well-established ventures, 20% to promising prospects with moderate uncertainty, and the final 10% to trailblazing speculative projects that may redefine the business's future terrain. The ingenuity of the 70-20-10 rule springs from its emphasis on the creation of a balanced portfolio. By allocating funds in this manner, businesses can hold on to their bread and butter of their current operations while also catering to both incremental growth opportunities and long-shot bets that could deliver outsized returns. This layered approach breathes life into a proactive and forward-thinking financial approach. It bridges the gap between the analytical insights gleaned from variance analysis, which we discussed in the last chapter, and the tactical steps taken towards a company's ambition to stand out from industry competitors. How the 70-20-10 rule can apply in tech. As the saying goes, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Similar to how a diverse investment portfolio guards an investor against market fluctuations, the 70-20-10 rule protects a company from unexpected economic downturns and lays the groundwork for future success. It strikes a delicate balance that nurtures dependable revenue streams and also pursues new ventures and breakthroughs. Let's consider a tech firm during a time of rapid change in consumer technology preferences. The leadership decides to commit 70% of the budget to maintain and slightly improve their flagship products, which have steady consumer demand. They allocate 20% to develop new features that integrate with emerging smart home devices, which is a growing market that represents moderate risk due to uncertain consumer adoption. The last 10% goes towards virtual reality applications and education, a field unproven but with substantial growth possibilities. This approach allows the company to withstand short-term market shifts as it prepares for long-term industry transformations. In this framework, the diversification of investment across different levels of risk prepares businesses for unforeseen challenges and propels them towards new heights. It spurs the necessary balance between caution and courage in financial decision-making, which is critical to a company's endurance and competitiveness in today's rapidly evolving business landscape. And remember, these are just a few of the many tools available. You can find more in our budget proposal presentation template, so feel free to download and customize them to your particular needs. Budget pacing. Following the path laid out by the 70-20-10 allocation framework, it's imperative for companies to then focus on the actual disbursement of allotted funds, which is where the practice of budget pacing assumes a central role. Budget pacing manages the rate at which a company's financial resources flow over time. This measured spending strategy ensures that funds actually last long enough for their intended purposes and staves off the risk of premature depletion, much like how we try to make our paychecks last until the next payday. Both periodic and unplanned reviews of budget pacing, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually, empower managers to tailor the rate of spending to the company's operational needs and to the natural fluctuations in market demand. But effective budget pacing should also avoid stagnation and make the most of opportunities to grow and improve. When a department is too cautious with spending, it may not use all of its available funds and miss out on chances to enhance its work or invest in innovative technologies. This can be just as harmful as overspending. Budget management isn't just about saving money, but also about spending it smartly to take advantage of the right opportunities. Take a tech startup that's received a lot of funding and is looking to grow. If they spend their money too slowly, they might save cash but lose out to competitors. With this in mind, the startup's leaders decide to speed up their spending, especially in marketing, to get their name out there and become a strong competitor in their industry. With careful budget pacing, businesses can be nimble and speed up or slow down their spending to align with high-level plans and goals. Company leaders who know how to balance careful budgeting with timely investments help keep everything running smoothly, all while using every chance they get to make every dollar count. This way, the business steadily works towards its long-term goals with a well-planned financial strategy. ROI and results of budget planning. Budget pacing is complementary to the assessment of how effective these investments are, which is where the focus on return on investment, or ROI, comes in. When a methodical approach to expenditures is well maintained, resources are not only used wisely, but can also contribute to profitable returns and growth. ROI provides a clear measure of what financial strategies reap benefits and which areas might need reevaluation or even elimination. This metric becomes a critical lens through which the financial health of various projects and ventures is assessed, directly influencing future budget allocations and pacing decisions. In practice, ROI calculations can reveal the efficacy of different initiatives and allow a business to pivot towards the most successful ones. A construction company, for example, might compare the ROI on green building practices to traditional projects. If the green initiatives show a higher ROI due to higher demand for sustainable buildings, the company could adjust its budget pacing to accelerate these projects and allocate more resources to capitalize on this trend. Beyond determining where funds flow next, ROI analysis helps to set and reset benchmarks for success. Modern businesses leverage ROI not only for financial considerations, but also to optimize operational processes and enhance customer satisfaction. The ability to forecast and track ROI with precision enables managers to present convincing arguments for prospective projects and secure necessary approvals and funding from stakeholders. It also helps to reflect on past decisions, learn from successes and setbacks to refine strategies moving forward. Consider the impact of ROI in a technological shift within a retail company. With an ROI analysis, the company might determine that implementing an advanced inventory management system has significantly reduced overhead costs and improved customer service. As a result, the business can justify the costs associated with the project, confirm the budget pacing for such investments was on point, and use these findings to advocate for technology upgrades in other areas of operations. These are just some parts of a budget proposal that we could fit in this video. For more hands-on tools, download our budget proposal presentation and customize each tool to your organization's needs. Cuts and additions. For any type of budgetary flexibility, one needs to be able to anticipate when to implement strategic shifts while also considering both the broader economic context and the company's current status. As businesses maneuver through cycles of change, it becomes pivotal to respond to significant budget changes. The agility to implement immediate modifications to budget plans is as important as forecasting and planning for long-term economic trends. This dynamic aspect of budget management helps organizations maintain stability during downturns and capitalize on emerging opportunities that present themselves in real time. For instance, consider a software company that forecasts a drop in demand for certain legacy products due to market saturation and a shift in consumer preferences. In anticipation, the company proactively adjusts its budget to reduce funding in this area. At the same time, it increases investment in emerging technologies like cloud computing and cybersecurity, which promise growth. The ability to recognize these trends and reallocate resources accordingly embodies the essence of adeptly responding to changes in budget. The execution of such strategic budget changes is often dictated by external forces, such as fluctuations in the global economy or industry-specific cycles. For example, during economic recessions, businesses commonly need to scrutinize their budgets with a conservative lens. Here, cost-saving measures and optimized spending are not just practical, but essential for survival. Likewise, periods of economic prosperity might call for aggressive investment in innovation and expansion to gain a competitive advantage. Conversely, a company may need to redirect funds to future-proof its operations against disruptive forces like digital automation. A manufacturing firm that faces the rise of automation and AI might choose to reallocate a portion of its budget to investment in robotic assembly lines and data analytics. By doing so, the firm adapts to the times and remains competitive enough to be positioned as a leader in tech integration. Much like the other aspects of budget planning we've mentioned so far, the responsive handling of budget cuts and additions is a testament to a company's financial acuity and its mastery over broader economic and industry changes. The ability to adapt financial strategies in real time, informed by current events and projections, is indicative of a forward-thinking business in shareholders' eyes. Across these dimensions of budget planning, variance, allocation rules, pacing, ROI, and adaptive changes, lies the message of diligence that analyzes, anticipates, and adjusts. For managers and decision makers who adopt and understand these elements, the benefit is a robust financial blueprint that accommodates both the immediate needs and the long-term aspirations of their organizations. These solid practices in corporate budget planning stand not just as measures of fiscal responsibility, but as strategic differentiators in a competitive corporate landscape. So, what are some challenges that you've encountered in the past with budget planning? Or are there any budget planning tips that worked well for you? Share your experiences in the comment section so we can all learn together. Thank you so much for watching.